Ever stained a project and ended up screaming at those dark, splotchy patches? You put in all that effort, only to watch your beautiful wood turn into a patchwork of random dark and light spots. It's enough to make anyone want to toss their project out the window. Yeah, I've been there. Trust me, you're not alone. This happens to even the most careful woodworkers. And let me set the record straight. Blotchy stains aren't about how you brushed or wiped. You could have the steadiest hand in the world, but that won't save you from blotches if you miss the real culprit. It's all about how your wood soaks up the stain. The wood itself is calling the shots here. See, softwoods like pine, fir, and poplar, they're tricky. These woods are notorious for being unpredictable when it comes to staining. Some parts are dense, some are porous. The grain can change every inch, and that's where the trouble starts. The porous bits act like a sponge and suck up the stain, while the dense bits just shrug it off. It's like trying to water a cactus and a sponge at the same time. One soaks it up, the other barely changes. That's how you get those wild contrasts. Dark here, light there. Even when your technique was flawless. It's not your fault, it's just the nature of the wood. So what do most folks do? Sand more, add more stain, wipe longer, maybe even try a different brand of stain, hoping for a miracle. But honestly, none of that solves the real problem, which is uneven absorption. You can't brute force your way to a perfect finish. Here's the game changer: pre-stain conditioner. This stuff is a lifesaver for anyone who wants a pro-level finish. Think of it as a referee for your wood. It partially seals the surface so stain goes on more evenly, no matter if the grain is hard or soft. It helps balance out the thirsty and stubborn spots, giving you a fighting chance at a uniform look, but you gotta do it right. Apply it evenly, making sure every inch is covered. Don't rush this step. Let it soak for just a bit. Wipe off the excess, and don't let it pool or dry unevenly. And then stain within the recommended time, usually between 15 minutes and 2 hours. Timing is everything here. Miss that window? You're back to square one. The conditioner only works if you follow the timing. I'll let you in on an advanced secret. For softwoods, try a dye-based stain or a toner instead of a heavy pigment stain. These products are designed to soak in more evenly and give you a smoother finish. Dyes don't care as much about grain density. They just soak in nice and even, making your life easier. You'll be amazed at how much more professional your results look. Oh, and about sanding. Don't go crazy with superfine grits. Over-sanding can actually make things worse. If you sand pine up to 3/20, you're actually making it harder for the stain to penetrate. The surface gets too slick, and the stain just sits on top. For most softwoods, 150 to 180 grit is your sweet spot. That's where you'll get the best absorption and the most even color. Still not convinced? Grab 2 scrap boards. Leave one raw, just as it is. Treat the other with conditioner, and stain them both. Watch what happens right before your eyes. The difference will blow your mind. You'll see just how much control you really have over your finish. Remember, blotchy finishes don't make your project look amateur because of color. They do it because of absorption. It's all about how the wood drinks up the stain. So, control the absorption, control the result. That's the real secret to a flawless finish. If this tip just saved your next build, drop a "no more blotches" in the comments. Share your results and help others beat the blotch too. Because the secret to great finishing, it starts long before the stain even hits the wood. Prep right, and you'll never fear blotches again.